What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's video, though, we do have to look at the recent correction that is taking place as I speak on the XRP charts here. You can see XRP is dropping at quite a substantial rate over the past couple of hours here, but it is a bit peculiar that it's happening now compared to the other cryptos, which, yes, are dropping, but I guess not as well. They seem to be about accurate now that I'm looking at things here. If we jump to the daily, it kind of looks about average, maybe even a little bit more actually than the other cryptocurrencies here, but markets are starting to drop nonetheless. This is by no means a surprise to me, and hopefully to you guys either. We've been talking, waiting, speculating that a drop was to be coming within these cryptocurrencies fairly soon. Now you can see really quickly, looking at our previous videos here, there's two in specific we want to reference here, that we have had this kind of consolidative long-term movement here on XRP for quite some time. We literally drew it yesterday or 2 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago. Why aren't we moving? And this consolidative ascending triangle we've been watching for, or ascending fractal we've been watching for quite some time. And you can see it even yesterday here that we were seeing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up again, hitting major resistance here. And we discussed very specifically when we would be buying in, when we would be shorting, so on and so forth here. We do have an aggressive trade at the moment that could be taken advantage of now because we've confirmed breaking below here. So we caught this early. We just closed this literally 20 minutes ago. So that is an opportunity. For some people who are aggressive, this is an opportunity, since we closed below support here for the first time in a long time, to buy in for a short drop to the downside. Now, keep in mind, we're nearing oversold, so there is a chance we might not go as low as you expect here. We did confirm closure below here. The main focus is going to be how we pan out on XRP's daily charts. If we close exactly where we are tonight, this opens up doors and opportunities to be buying in long. Now, it's not just XRP dropping, Ethereum is, and Bitcoin is as well. And more than likely, the S&P is going to be seeing a drop when we open up today. So with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, moving forward, I guess I already showed you the videos that we posted a couple of days ago here, and the thumbnails referencing that we've been inside an ascending fractal for quite some time now on these cryptocurrencies. This is expected, anticipated, and I am not surprised that we're seeing drops like this. This is what we've been waiting for patiently. Market is down 4.6%. Some of these cryptos are getting hit a lot harder than others here. Bitcoin's down 3.8, Ethereum's down 6.6, XRP's down 5.3. Most of them are down about 5 to 7%, I'd say, on average here. And you can see everything is taking a hit. Every single cryptocurrency is taking a hit today. Every single one. I wonder if there's some sort of news coming. Let's see if I do like stock market news or if I do cryptocurrency news. Stock market futures fall as investors digest latest earnings, higher rates, so on and so forth. That could be it actually for today, which is causing stock futures ticked downwards Wednesday as traders are weighed the latest round of earnings. So it could have something to do with that here. Futures tied Dow Jones dropping. We're seeing a lot of stuff drop actually. So there's a chance that could be the reason. I'll type in Bitcoin dropping today. Let's see if that has any reference to anything. Cryptocurrency prices. No, I'm not really seeing any news for today, but that could have something to do with the reason for this correction here. Regardless, this is something that we've been patiently waiting for, these drops on cryptocurrency in its entirety here. We've been inside an ascending fractal for a very long time now. Literally starting April 3rd, we've had almost 16 days, practically 16 days of just this kind of sideways trading, sideways trading, sideways trading, sideways trading. And we were pretty much flatlined out. You can see even on the relative strength indicator. This is not good. It's not normal, and it's not healthy for the markets here. And it typically results in some sort of dump or pump. We were not sure which direction we'd be pumping to, although we did say, and I just want to show you guys super quick, if I pull up YouTube, in yesterday's video here, we referenced very specifically when the buying opportunities would open up and when they would be, either we buy in long or we buy in for a short. You can see we've pretty much confirmed that we either going to consolidate inside of here, or when we break through either of these points, you can see beautifully, this is when we buy in or when we sell short on XRP's 4-hour. This video was made literally less than 24 hours ago, literally yet less than a day ago, and we said clear as day, we have top resistance, bottom support. There's a price floor and a price ceiling. If we close below in the 4-hour above or below those, that's when we know the general direction that these movements are going to be moving to. So with XRP on its 4-hour closing, confirming closure below our point here, and I'll reference really quickly what we had discussed. Either a break above this, could be a long, a break below this, could be a short. Now, obviously, it's definitely tough. We could either continue to consolidate in here or break to the upside here. You can see we've had these peaks, and this is why trading here is very aggressive on the 4-hour. We've actually seen this numerous occasions, so it would have been better if we slightly pulled this up on the 4-hour charts here. Obviously, looking at the 4-hour than the others, you can see just like this, probably even higher if we wanted to do something like that. That would be the charts here. Now on the daily, it shows a different sign, but you can see hitting top, hitting bottom, hitting top, hitting bottom, so on and so forth here. If we closed above resistance, we'd buy in for a long. We close below, we buy in for a short. On the 4-hour, which is an aggressive trade. Now moving forward to the daily, you can see why I've pulled this down, and it's different than the 4-hour charts here. It's because there's different peaks and there's different candle wicks than on the 4-hour. And you can see right now that we are trying to close below here, and there's a very big chance that we are going to close below this uptrend here. And if we do close at 49 cents here, this is going to confirm most likely the direction of the movements here, and we're most likely going to continue to scale down to moving average at about 44 cents here, right to its moving average. By no means it would be surprising if you ask me. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. This lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you could possibly think of is offered on BidFi, which is super cool, including Bitcoin, including Ethereum, including Polkadot, including Chainlink, but more importantly, including XRP, which makes these charts that much easier to capitalize off these runs, because not only can we talk about them and track them, there's actually a way to trade XRP. Not many people have exchanges or know of exchanges that allow you to do such a thing, but we do using BidFi, which is super cool. We clearly had the uptrend drawn, or the top resistance drawn. We clearly had the uptrend drawn here, and we discussed if we close below with certainty this resistance here or this support here, we know to buy in long or we know to short it, so on and so forth, on an aggressive scale. We closed clear as day below here, so by an off chance, there is a good probability we're going to continue this run to the downside here, which we can take advantage of by buying long or selling short, specifically on XRP. The best part, or another cool part, is they even offer a demo account. So let's say we have this chart set up. You want to take a risk, but you don't want to invest anything, which is totally cool, and I almost recommend only using this just for fun, just trading for fun. They have a demo account which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money, risk-free. You don't lose anything. You can't lose anything. It's a free website. You can sign up with the link in the description to BidFi and then use their demo account to practice trading completely free. So with the logic here, trading on the 4-hour, that means in a couple of hours with a bet, as a betting person, we expect to see the markets continue to drop, maybe from 49 to 47 cents. So we could put a short position in with whatever leverage you thought you would if it was real here, shorting it to the downside. Now, it's very simple. You would know, okay, this is the correction that we're expecting to see happen here. So we put in a short position and you test your skills. If we get it right, and if you continue to get it right on the downside, then you know you have something good going and you can do what you want with that information. But that's pretty much how you can use the demo account, which is super cool. Otherwise, you click live and you can use real cryptocurrency in your balance, which is also really, really, really cool. But moving forward from XRP, the best part about BidFi is they are offering up to $2,888 completely free by just signing up with the link down in the description. Then click Welcome Rewards, and if you've already signed up, click Welcome Rewards, and you can earn up to $2,888, which is really freaking cool. Now, moving forward into Ethereum and Bitcoin and so on and so forth here, you can see Ethereum is also hitting resistance and correcting lower. This is no surprise. As you guys know, we've drawn in a resistance quite a few days ago here, as the markets have had a very tough time breaking through this resistance here. We expected markets to dip, and that is exactly what they're doing. They did a dip right down to its 4-hour moving average. The thing is, now we're nearing oversold on the 4-hour, but nowhere near that on Ethereum's daily charts here. We're only at about 56 on the relative strength indicator. So as we said many videos ago, or in practically every video previous to today, that we are most likely going to be rejecting, as we are, and pulling all the way down to bottom support here and consolidating there, or to moving average, which will probably be up here, and moving over there. That's really what we're expecting to see happen here. And a lot of these cryptos correcting to the downside is by no means a surprise. XRP was very overextended, seeing correction. Ethereum was hitting major resistance, also overbought, correcting to the downside. Bitcoin as well was overbought, correcting to the downside. We're either going to be holding up here and consolidating, or breaking down a moving average and then moving up. We are not sure. And then lastly, the S&P has continued to break out of its bull flag formation formation here to the upside, and now we're hitting yet again a major resistance, and that is another surefire sign that we're going to start to correct lower. Funny enough, we're at a very strong and solid resistance. You can see in purple here, or sorry, in what is it? In white, why this is a strong resistance, because we've been on this trend literally since, you could say, 09 here, and you can see we're hitting the top, which is a very problematic zone that we've had trouble breaking through time and time and time again until we had help from, money printing and being dumped into the market. We've had a very tough time breaking through it. So we are retesting it again today. So there's a good chance we'll reject off this and continue our higher low formation, as you can see. But with that information out of the way, that's it for today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.